Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes.
Hello guys, welcome to today's all-day cleaning motivation. I hope you are happy, healthy and doing okay. Today's video is jam-packed with cleaning motivation. We are doing the laundry, we are folding clothes, we are even doing a little bit of food preparation, we are changing the sheets in the house and so much more. So I hope that you are ready to go and let's get started. Starting it all off today in the living room with this couch filled with clean clothing. You guys, I cannot keep my laundry folded and put together. Like, this is the one aspect of my life that I just cannot have under control. I feel like every time I do the laundry, pick up clothes, I put them in the couch, by the time I fold them, there is another pile that is ready to go in. It's just always a mess. And so today I have so many clothes, at least 3 loads of clothing here that I am dealing with. And then after that, we'll be heading into the bedroom to put away all of these clothing. And then we will head into changing some sheets. Please tell me, what is your favorite domestic chore to do around your house? Like, for me, I think I prefer doing the laundry over any other domestic chores that I have to do in the house. It is kind of therapy for me. I can be with my thoughts, I can watch a YouTube video while I go. It is just very peaceful and quiet, and so I really enjoy this. What is yours? What chore do you like to do? Let me know in the comments down below. working on some clothing inside here, but very soon I'll be going back into the living room to grab a few socks. And in my hand there, I was showing you guys just socks that have no companion. I swear, I don't know socks, they just disappear from the washing machine. If you can relate to this, comment down below. Like, where do the socks go when you put them in the washer? Are they walking out or what? Because I do not understand it. I always put socks in but only get one foot of socks out of the washer, and I cannot understand why. Anyway, we are still on some laundry, and right now I am just trying to get the load of laundry from the washer and then outside to dry. If you guys did not know, I live in Japan, and in Japan washers are popular but the dryers are not popular. So the status quo is to hang your clothes outside in the sun for it to dry. So that is what I am doing right now. I'm just putting some clothing on some clothing hangers, and then I'll be going outside on my balcony to hang them up to dry. Hopefully by the time the evening comes, they will be all dried and ready to also fold again. And this is what I was telling you guys about. The minute I clear clothes from the couch, then I have more clothes that automatically gets in the couch that needs to be folded again. So it's just a never-ending pile. Okay, we're on to a new task, and that is preparing some chicken to be cooked this day for dinner. So I was filming this video on a Sunday, and on a Sunday of course we have to eat, and as Jamaicans, typically on a Sunday is the day when we normally cook the biggest meal of the week. So that is what I'm doing here. I'm just basically cleaning up some chicken. You'll also see my husband Adam joining with me because we had a lot of meat that we needed to prepare, because I do cook for lunch for the week, and I also had to prepare dinner for the specific day and maybe leftovers. So Adam will be joining us very shortly. I won't be showing you guys us cooking this day, but I promise that there will be some cook with me videos coming very soon. Adam also nicked his finger with the knife, and that is what I was laughing about right here. Adam is very funny, you guys. After this, I'll be making myself and Adam a smoothie, a little berry smoothie to keep us going throughout the day. Then we are going to be picking up around the kitchen, and then we are heading into the bedroom to change some bed linens. If you are working alongside me, keep going. We are getting things done. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you like this kind of content. It lets me know that you enjoy seeing these types of video. It also helps YouTube know that you like seeing these videos, and it does help me out a lot, so thank you so much.
I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights, even though they're so overdue. We had a fire, now we're watching it burn low. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. You taste like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers. Losing my pride, but I guess that's what love do to people like us, struggling to come through. We had a fight.
Also, big shout out to my husband for helping me tackle this day and helping me cook and clean up around the house as well.
Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. You taste like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers.
It is now time to tackle the bed sheets in the house, and this is the worst domestic chore for me. I hate changing my sheets, simply because getting the duvet insert into the duvet cover, oh my goodness, it takes so much effort. I did learn a trick to make it easier, especially if it's only one person doing it, but still it just takes so much time to change sheets on my bed. I don't know, am I the only one who struggles with changing the sheets and feel as if it takes forever to get a new set of sheets on? Comment down below and let me know that I'm not alone, you guys. I despise this aspect of homemaking.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego.
I did make the decision to not put a duvet on the bed this time, since it was the middle of summer anyway and we were practically burning in the house, because again in Japan we do not have central venting units, so the heat or the air does not spread throughout the house. And in this room, the master bedroom, it does get very hot in the summer and it does get very cold in the winter, because the air con is just focused in one area of the house. So I decided to just fold up the duvet, put it inside of the closet and forget about it for the rest of the summer, and it has been a game changer. We have been cooled down in the house. So now we are just dusting off some surfaces here in the room. I do have some sinus issues, and so if the house gets even a little dusty, I start sneezing and I get sick very easily. So I'm just trying to keep on top of ensuring that the place is dust free, especially where I am chilling most of the time, which is definitely in the bed, because I am 6 months pregnant right now when I'm filming this video, and all the rest I can get is very beneficial to every part of my body.
Oh, here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. Oh, here it goes, oh, here it goes, oh, here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. With his humble lack and everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes, with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes.
We are wrapping up inside the bedroom with just some sweeping, and then we will head into the living room to pick up inside there, and then we'll get to organizing some shoes. If you guys are enjoying this cleaning motivation so far, be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, and if you like this kind of content, of course subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I would greatly appreciate it.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you. Here we go again, staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign, give me a sign. Oh baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me one more. Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth.
We are in the final 4 to 5 minutes of today's all day clean with me video, and I am finishing off things by organizing the shoes in the Genkang. That's the shoe closet area in Japan. This is what we do. We have to leave our shoes at the front of the house, which is so nice. And I am just organizing the shoes inside the closet because it does get a little messy. And then to finish off the video, I will be tackling my office and just picking up a few things inside there, wiping down the surfaces to get rid of dust. And then that will be it for today's clean with me video. I hope you guys also managed to get some things done around your house while you were working alongside me. Or if not, if you were just chilling in bed while watching me clean, absolutely no problem. I hope that I have given you the motivation to get up and start doing something that you need to get done, but you just needed some motivation to get going. If you guys did enjoy today's cleaning motivation, of course, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Feeling this pain when there should be two of us. And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't know. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain. The only one that's left in the rain. Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't know. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? Guess I'm gonna stay, but I'm just gonna wait in the background, watching you talk to her. I know this might look bad, but I'm just gonna melt in the background, watching you lean into her. I'm a fool
just like I do. Are you worried about me too? 'Cause I'm thinking